Hi guys, welcome to my channel for another video. This is actually going to be a very special video for you guys to watch, and especially for me and my new baby, of course. I just got this in the mail today. Yes, it's a fetal Doppler. I haven't tried one before. It's my first trying. I haven't even opened it yet, but there's actually a website that is just you can go to Baby Doppler. This video is not sponsored at all. I'm gonna try to find my baby's heartbeat today. I am 6 weeks and 3 days pregnant, so I don't think I'm gonna be very shocked if I hear it today. But if I don't, it's fine. I mean, I'm gonna be upset, but I know everything's still going really well because each day I'm feeling so sick. Like today I'm really struggling. I've got like vertigo and I've got a migraine. The nausea is just crazy. Haven't thrown up or anything, which is good. But let me go ahead and show you what's all in this thing. Alright, so let's go ahead and open it. If I can figure it out, that'd be awesome. I have a hard time opening boxes because they always have them folded in a certain way. See, like I see how it's boxed, but I just can't seem to get a grip on it. Guys, I'm so excited. Like I really hope I can find the baby's heartbeat today. I'm going to show you guys, even if I don't find it today, I'm still going to show you guys how to use it. But I will record me the whole time that there we go, the whole time I'm trying to look for it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This costed like about $45. It's the package it came in. And it actually came with some Boost sound gel, or like sound booster gel. Ooh, this is really nice. Looks like it comes with batteries. Originally these are on the website. They're like $60, and I got it for 40, like 45. There was like a deal going on. But I was kind of hesitant about buying one of these because I didn't know if it was actually like legit. But it looks pretty legit to me. So this is the little monitor thing here. And this is the Doppler itself. It's got a speaker and it's even got a place for your headphones. But I have it on. I'm not gonna turn it on just yet. So I'll turn it back off. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put this, oh god, I'm so excited. Put this gel on it. And since I'm so early, I'm gonna go lower. It's kind of another reason why I have the video up here. So I have to go kind of low because I'm not even 2 months pregnant yet, so cross your fingers for me. Oh, well, there's a seal on it, so I gotta open it. Oh, come on. Okay, there we go. Ah, I'm so excited. I hope this works. It's a really nice Doppler, you guys. Like, it's pretty awesome. So I'm gonna put a decent amount on there. Here we go. Let's look for Babe. Honestly, here, I'll turn it off, actually, until I get it on my stomach. Oh, jeez, I just got this stuff everywhere. Okay, here we go. So far I don't hear anything. Wait. Okay, so, I didn't find the baby's heartbeat. I'm just gonna assume that it's way too early. Especially with how I'm feeling and stuff. I'm like almost 100% sure that the baby's fine. I'm not gonna be worried because, oh, I didn't find the heartbeat, you know. But I think in about a week or two, I'll probably, hopefully, can hear something. So I'll try again in another video and share my experience with you guys. I was really hoping I could find at least a little, just hear it a little bit. I thought I did a couple times, but, you know, I wasn't 100%. I definitely heard my heartbeat. But yeah, I'm sorry guys to disappoint you. Oh yeah, I got my hair cut. You guys can't tell. I got a cut yesterday. I know, off topic. Anyway, I really do like this Doppler. Even though I didn't find the heartbeat just yet, I really like it. Just try not to use up all of your gel. I mean, you can use like aloe gel, because it's kind of very similar consistency and stuff like that. So, I'll see you guys in my next video. Hopefully next time we can hear something. I was really hoping today. I'm kind of sad, but I'm gonna go take a nap now. All my kids are napping, so I will catch you guys later. Bye-bye.